It does fit really good.
I think just like Daddy.
You are just like Daddy.
Hi, Daddy.
Hi there, little Daddy.
Mm.
You getting ready to go to work?
Yeah.
Alright. Have a good day.
I say hug and kisses.
Your hugs and kisses. Mwah. Bye-bye, little Daddy.
I'll close the door.
Alright.
Oh, you just I just saw the Newton.
Oh, here's that Newton.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
I should go work with my Newton.
Okay. Bye-bye. Love you.
Bye-bye. Don't go work with me.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Just stay.
I'll just stay right here. You go to work.
No.
I'm gonna just stay right here and you're gonna go to work.
No, you stay in your room.
Oh, I have to stay in the other room, I see. I'm sorry.
I will come.
You what?
I will come.
Okay.